Hello everyone, welcome to Bing Lectures Learn SQL from Real Jobs. In this section, we are talking about loading XML files by using SSIS. XML files are common data sources files like flag files. It's easy to load in SSIS. Firstly, we create a data flow task. Then drag one XML source into that flow task. Choose the XML file you want to load and generate the XSD file. After that, we can drag in an OLEDB destination to transfer the data to the database. But here, we instead it with row count. And click Enable Data Viewer to show tables inside the XML file. Let's execute this package. We can see multiple tables have been transferred in SSIS. Good job! Let's learn SQL from real jobs. See you next course.